If you want to turn off Temu's text messages or notifications, today in this full guide I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First we go ahead and open the Temu app. Now we wait for this screen to go away. Once it does and the app fully loads up, tap on You in the bottom right here. Once it takes you here, go ahead and scroll down until you find Settings and tap on it. And once you're here, tap on Notifications. And from here you'll get all types of notifications and messages that you receive from the app. You can go ahead and tap on them to turn them off. So from there you can drag this button to the left to turn it off. You can do the same for this one. So just like that. And you can quit and do the same for the chat messages, which is the one that you want to turn off in the beginning of the video. Just like that, turn the toggle off. Do that again for the email. And you should be good to go. You can go ahead and turn off all of these, but you should be good to go once you only turn off those two. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thanks for watching.